Julia Harriet here. Guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to construct a new resume for myself. I don't think I've written a resume or even had a resume maybe in a decade. Maybe not quite that long, but it's been a minute. And so I'm sitting down and getting grounded to do that. And I thought I would share a few tools that I use when I have to do something like this, because resumes are rad. Like, you can reflect upon all of your growth, your experiences, everything that has basically made you who you are in this moment. But it's a lot of work, It's like, ugh. So I've been putting it off, but I was like, you know what? No matter what, I'd love to do it just as a moment of self-reflection and self-gratitude, where it's like, man, look what you've done, Julia. So that's what I'm about to do. And before I do that, I'm going to share with you a couple things that I do when I'm, wanting to really step into my truth and step into who I am at this point and share it. So when I'm going to be working on the computer for a long time, like I said, maybe I'm making up my resume, maybe I'm doing some writing, or just sending emails like we all have to do in our lives as adults. But one of the things about it is you got to take a break, because, being in front of that computer screen, it's really not good for your brain. And more so, it's not good for your soul to be in front of it too long. So what do I like to do? I like to just step outside. So, I'll be on the computer 30 minutes, 45 minutes max, take a break, step outside, take a breath. So my favorite breath work, I call it the 6-7-8. So 6-7-8 pause, even. It's almost like a dance move. And the 6-7-8 is you breathe in for 6 seconds, you hold for 7, hold your breath, and then release for 8. So I'm going to do that with you right now. So I'm going to breathe in for 6. And then I pause. And the 6-7-8 is amazing. It slows you right down, right? Because when you're working on the computer, one of the tendencies we all have, it's like we stop breathing. We're not even aware we're breathing. And we're doing those little shallow breaths just to kind of survive as we are computering away. So step outside. I like to do 3 rounds of the 6-7-8. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'd love it if you commented. If you're doing these 6-7-8 breaths during your workday, let me know how it's going. Are you feeling different? Are you feeling more creative and present after you do it? Let me know. Another strategy that I definitely utilize when I'm going to be at the computer for long periods of time or for a big project that I need to get done. So I do my breaths. That's awesome. But sometimes I just have to shake it out. Now, I love running. That works for me. But dancing is its own beast. I want to highly recommend, however you like to dance, dance like nobody's watching, or dance like everyone's watching, however you like it. And however you like to dance to whatever type of music that really sparks your heart and soul, put it on and move your body, all your body, not just like a little bit, like really get into it and release and maybe even sing along. But what that does is it moves you, from that left-brained place where you're just computing and typing and coming up with words and you're trying to put it together in your computer. And it moves that into your right brain. So you're being expressive and creative and spontaneous. And it really taps into your intuition, because really there's never a moment, no matter how doldrummy we are doing in our adulting day. You know what? Like, our intuition is our critical superpower. So nothing like dance really gets you into your intuitive, creative mind. So shake it up. Get your move on, work it out, and, have no apologies for doing that. Like, it's a very important part of your work process. So go shake that ass.
Keep an eye on